What's up, everybody? It is Dynamite_41. I miss y'all. Hope everything is going well today. Happy freaking Monday. Hope everything was all good. Here to give you all the details on GameStop as usual. Of course, this is not financial advice, not a financial advisor whatsoever. Take everything I say with a grain of salt. Alright, got that out of the way. Anywho, GameStop, everybody. It closed at what? $29.50, give or take? I don't know. I didn't really look at the price today. I just bought a share this morning, like whenever it was around what I'd say $27, 27 something. I know I bought a share this morning and just didn't look at my phone at all for the rest of the day. And then I look at the after hours price action, and I'm like, what is going on? We knew this was gonna happen. They can't keep the pressure down on us so long. Also, Sam wants to say hi really quick. Sam says, hi, world. GameStop is blasting off right now. And if you don't believe Sam, well, let me show y'all real quick. But let's follow the trade for today. This is the 2-hour chart. You remember the stream that I had a while back, maybe like about 2 weeks ago, where I drew this dotted line. Of course, we broke below it on the 5th of December. And then we broke out of it on the 5th of December, and then we broke back below it again, I believe on the 10th, 5 days later, and then we broke back up above it pretty much a day later. So there's a lot of pressure going to the upside. So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is actually rearrange it to right here, because if I draw the trend line right here, I could see that there is a trend of it bouncing off the line. So strong, so supportive. 2 hours. And also, let's look at this. Let's look at how it bounced off of my $26.14 support line, and then we dipped below my $27.38 support line, but completely jumped above it. I mean, look at this candle wick right here, y'all. It's like it didn't even want to stay below that level, so we just worked our way up. And now we're going down here, and now we're above the $27.38 support level. So it's looking like really strong support at $27.38. As you can tell, we spiked towards the end of the day, which is super awesome. GameStop is going up in a wedge, in my opinion. So let me go ahead and draw another trend line so you can see what I'm seeing. So I think we got a mini wedge right here. I don't know how many it's gonna be, but let's just do it like that. I like to have fun with the technical analysis. Okay, we already know the fundamentals of the company are great. We already know we beat Wall Street on the Q3 earnings this year and Q2, so 2 in a row. We're definitely going to beat on Q4 because Q4 is usually the busiest time for retail, aka GameStop, aka Black Friday shopping, aka holiday shopping, shopping for the kiddos, Christmas, birthdays on December, November, and early January, because the quarter for Q4 does not end until, I believe, January 10th. Correct me if I'm wrong. Leave it in the comments. But fundamentals are great, and we're making money. So let's back away from that and talk technicals now. So I feel really good about us bouncing within this wedge. Of course, I've been wrong several times when it comes to technical analysis, but we've been going up and to the right regardless of the fact that we've been right or wrong. And that's all that really matters to me, and I will continue buying on the way up because I still think at $29.44 the company is undervalued. So let's go ahead and go here. As you can tell, we have GameStop currently at $29.51. At one point, I didn't have it pulled up on the screen. I really wish I did pull it up. But at one point, I did see the stock price above $31. $31 and some change. That's literally what I saw it in the overnight trading hours at. Now, maybe if I refresh it, it'll do something different. But it's $29.51. I don't know what happened there. I'm not lying. My eyes were not deceiving me at all. It just kind of caught me off guard, and I wish I had it on the screen, but you know what? It is what it is. I saw what I saw. Believe what you want to believe. But better believe that they're putting out articles. Nasdaq.com is putting out the articles. What makes GME a strong buy? So, all these years of how they were just doubting and naysaying how GameStop is a terrible company. It is something you should just sell and forget GameStop. Don't even worry about it. Don't even put your hands on it. Don't put no money in it. It is just an overvalued company. It's going to decline and everything when it comes to sales, revenue, or even just the stock price. Well, here we are on 2024 on the 16th of December. It's about to be 2025, y'all. Remember back in 2020, 2021, 22, 23, they were telling you this thing was a piece of crap. Sell GameStop. Forget GameStop. Oh, how the turntables. Now we're in the end of 2024 and they want us to buy GameStop. Maybe that should be the New Year's resolution for some people to put on their list. This has been a lifelong resolution for me. And when I mean lifelong, I mean the lifetime in the stock. So it's very bullish. But let's look at this real quick. Investors might want to bet on GME as it has been recently upgraded to a Zacks rank #1 strong buy. Of course, an upward trend in earnings estimates, one of the most powerful forces impacting stock prices, has triggered this rating change. So, as you can see what we mentioned earlier, the fundamentals are improving the company, which is leading to better earnings. We're beating Wall Street, and that will eventually lead to the price action on the chart to go up and to the right and consistently. And I think we're really going to squeeze the crap out of short sellers and make a killing off of it, especially your buying and holding. If you're an options guy, do what you want to do. I don't buy options at all. But even if you have shares, I don't care how many you have, you're going to be up eventually. We up, baby. We've been buying this thing for almost 4 years. The most powerful force impacting stock prices. The change in a company's future earnings potential, as reflected in earnings estimate revisions, has proven to be strongly correlated with the near-term price movement of its stock. That's partly because of the influence of institutional investors that use earnings and earnings estimates for calculating the fair value of a company's shares. Excuse me. So, institutional investors, they're all buying into GameStop too. They're seeing the value. And a lot of people like us have been buying this for years. We're just waiting for this to actually unravel and actually show itself in light. And here we are, late 2024, and we got the GameStop price going crazy. So I don't really know what else to say, but other than I really am thankful and grateful to be invested in the stock that I'm invested in, and I'm glad that I was able to listen to the right people and take the right advice and know right from wrong. Being able to know which way the wind blows. Being able to read the writing on the wall. Oh, this stock has taught me a lot over the years. Not only about myself, but about the world and how manipulated things can be. And just how much of a sham certain things can be. But everyone falls for it. I'm not trying to get too deep into that rabbit hole, but this stock taught me a lot about that this year. So I'm really grateful for the growth here, and the company is going to continue growing, and that's pretty much it. Hope y'all have a good rest of the evening, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Maybe a live stream tomorrow. Who knows? We'll see. It's a busy week before I go back to Dallas this coming Friday, so maybe I'll do a live stream on Friday before I head to the airport. I won't be leaving the airport till later in the day. So Friday live stream is definitely going to be a thing this week. I'm going to try to do it tomorrow. Can't make any promises, but this GameStop, baby. And we ain't stopping for no one. Peace out.